Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Volvo XC90. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure both vehicles are completely off and in park or neutral with the parking brake engaged. Gather your jumper cables and consider wearing safety gloves and eye protection. Next, locate the battery in your Volvo XC90, which is typically found under the hood, often beneath a plastic cover. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. First, attach one red clamp to the positive terminal of the dead Volvo XC90 battery. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the good battery. Next, connect one black clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the engine block of your Volvo, away from moving parts. With the cables securely connected, it's time to start the engines. Begin by starting the engine of the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge to your Volvo's dead battery. After this period, try to start your Volvo XC90. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a few more minutes with the donor car running and then attempt to start your Volvo again. Once your Volvo XC90 starts, let both engines run for a few minutes. Then, turn off both vehicles. Disconnect the cables in reverse order, first the black from the dead car's engine block, then the black from the donor car's negative terminal. Next, remove the red from the donor car's positive, and finally, the red from your Volvo's positive terminal. Drive your Volvo for at least 30 minutes to help recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.